Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Echinacea tincture. This powerful herbal remedy is a concentrated liquid extract created by soaking plant material in alcohol. The alcohol acts as a solvent, effectively drawing out the beneficial compounds from the Echinacea plant. This homemade tincture can be a wonderful addition to your wellness routine, offering support for your body's natural defenses. Plus, crafting it yourself is both rewarding and economical, saving you money compared to store-bought options. To begin, gather your essential supplies. The star ingredient is Echinacea, which can be fresh or dried, including roots, leaves, and flowers. For the solvent, choose an 80-proof neutral spirit, such as vodka, which is 40% alcohol. You'll also need a clean glass jar with a secure lid for the infusion process. While not strictly necessary, a kitchen scale and measuring cups can help you achieve precise plant-to-alcohol ratios for optimal potency. Now, let's start the infusion. First, finely chop your Echinacea plant material. This increases the surface area, allowing for better extraction. Fill your clean glass jar about 3/4 full with the prepared Echinacea if using fresh, or halfway if using dried. Pour your 80-proof alcohol over the plant material, ensuring it is completely submerged by at least 1 inch. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it gently once or twice daily to aid the extraction. Once the infusion period is complete, it's time to finish your tincture. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Be sure to press and squeeze the plant material thoroughly to extract every last drop of potent liquid. Transfer your finished Echinacea tincture into dark glass dropper bottles. Label each bottle clearly with the contents and the date it was made. Store your tincture in a cool, dark place where it can maintain its potency for 1 to 2 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.